Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, one thing about men will always choose themselves. No matter who gets hurt in the process, men will always choose themselves. And it's so sad, yes, it's so sad when you have to go through the most during the people, Sana, during the whole country. It's really, really so sad. So guys, guess Sana. Nozipho Njangase's husband is officially married to second wife Umiso Kuhle. They were getting married, traditional vibes in Tontoni, and I can't even imagine what a girl is going through right now. Because Sana, not so long ago, she was trending Uguti, the husband left her, the husband is with someone else, and now the husband is embarrassing her again during the people getting married to someone else. It's just so sad, guys. I can't even imagine what the kids are going through, because now they are getting affected by this. Imagine being mocked by your friends because your parents are just trending and trending. It's just so sad, Shem. Kodwa ke sana uguy is officially married to second wife Umiso Kuhle, who looks like she is still a virgin. I'm not sure, guys, and I'm really not sure. I stand to be corrected. But looking at the outfit, I'm thinking ukuthi ugel ngathi vele uhamba umhlanga and stuff, Yo, Sana, I can't even imagine. Sana, I cannot even imagine. Kodwa ke Sana, as long as ugel yena are happy, and she looks so young, like she looks very young compared to him. Kodwa yes, guys, Nozipho Njangase's husband is officially married. And also another thing, Sana, people on Facebook, they were comparing Nozipho Njangase and Umiso Kuhle, the one who just got married. People are saying these people bayafana. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. Let's just take a look at this picture. Do you guys think those people look the same? I really do think they do. Or maybe Lana, it's the angle of the picture Yagamiso Kuhle, But people are saying they look the same. This guy is looking for Unozipho in other women because umhetile, and he is not getting the same version. Yaga Nozipho. Kuningi nje, kuningi endabeni zabantu guys, kuningi. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also please leave a comment in the comment section down below, guys. What do you think of this whole thing? I will see you on my next one.